friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. This is day 85 and whew. So today, in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this mini pocket stack, and there are 3 pockets all in this one little space. So if you'd like to see how I created it, how it came together, stay tuned. For today's pocket, you'll need 3 to 4 small pockets or coin envelopes, glue or tape, cardstock base, ink, or embellishments. Here's what I'm gonna do today. I've got this little journal page that I've been working on, right? There's 3 separate things we've got going on already. So I figure I'll go ahead and finish this particular page. And this coin envelope is quite large compared to my mini journal, but I'm still going to use it. I'm going to use the coin envelope, and instead of scattering pockets on the page, I'm going to stack them on each other. I think that's what I'm going to do. The first thing is so easy breezy. We're going to go ahead and glue the coin envelope down to the page, and hold on a second, guys. I got it. Hold on. So we're going to glue it, but we're just going to glue the 3 sides. So we'll have a pocket in here, and we'll also have a pocket under here, okay? So already that's going to be 2 pockets. Let me make sure I glue the right sides. Do not want to glue the wrong sides together. Gluing this down. And I want to get it right up to the edge here. There we go. All right, my friends, I have glued 2 sides of this, and this is going to go right down in the corner of the coin envelope. And that is our 3rd pocket. Okay, my friends, I have gathered up some items that are going to go into the pockets. But before I stuff this thing, I want to go ahead and just add a little bit of washi tape. And this one has, I don't know, I think this could pass for some fall vibes right here. So I definitely want to add this. And you know, I was thinking, you know how we don't always trust our washi tape to stick in place? I'm going to grab some double stick tape. I don't know why I never thought about this before, but I think it's a good thought. So I'm turning this upside down just so I can see what I'm doing here. And I had some glue on my fingers and the double stick tape stuck to the glue. Okay, and now let's go ahead and put this on. That just gives it a little bit more interest. And now I can take this and just trim it. I might be able to tear the rest of it. Perfect. And same over here. We'll start with a trim. Whoops. Maybe. I didn't get as close to this one. Let me try that one more time from this angle. Yeah, I think we got it that time, so fantastic. Let's have a look. Oh, that's cute. Should I go down this side? I don't know. Probably not. Probably not. Okay. All right. I just wanted to add a little something to it. Okay. Now, my friends, let's stuff this pocket. All right, this is the mini pocket stack. So let's see what we got. I got this little mini postcard that we're going to go, postcard, yes. And we're going to go ahead and pop this in underneath the coin envelope. So there's our first pocket. And then for the second pocket, we're going to add this cute little tag. These images, all of these, are from my printable kit. So was the postcard. And that is called Cozy Autumn. So we're going to put this in here, and there we go. And we're going to close that. And then this pretty tag is going to pop right in to this little pocket. And I like it because this is keeping this flap closed, which I think is super, super cute. And there it is, my friends, the mini stack pocket. Please be sure to check out Cindy's channel today and see what she came up with. Thanks for watching. See you soon.